I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're going Italian, but we're also going healthy. And with that being said, we're going to do a pastaless lasagna. That's right, pastaless lasagna. No pasta in this bad boy. Without further ado, let's get into it, make some bad life choices.
Yo, I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything.
Alright, what we're going to use today for this, we've got zucchini, of course. Then we're going to use our ground beef, our goat cheese, mozzarella, and we're going to go with a 4-cheese pasta sauce. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start cutting and slicing our zucchini. This is going to play a part of our pasta today. So what we're going to do, take the head off, take the back off. And real easily, real gently though, we're going to take our hand, our blade, just work it across. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to continue to work it across. What we're going to find, we're going to get the skin off, and then we're going to take about 1 inch in, just like this. Going to work smooth and easy, just like that. And we're going to make strips like this so that we can coat for our pasta. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start getting our zucchini dried up and ready to be pasta. First thing you want to do is get your zucchini layers like this, and you want to go ahead. Now we're going to saute our ground beef so we can get ready. I'm using black pepper, garlic salt, and a little bit of garlic parmesan popcorn seasoning. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's going to give you a great flavor. So right now we're just going to go ahead and keep sauteing and browning our meat. That way we can get the zucchini cooked a little bit. What we're going to do now is get our cheese. The first thing we're going to do is get our goat cheese. So you want to get a spoon, that way you can put it down. We're just going to go ahead and kind of smear it out a little bit, just like that. And for me, I got 2 bags of this because this stuff is not very expensive, but it's a little hard to work with. We're going to go ahead and take it off and just dollop it just like that. And we're going to go ahead and just, because goat cheese is so difficult to work with, you're going to want to dollop it. Mozzarella, what you want to do, just cut this one about like this. 8 pieces. So you want to in half, quarter, half, and quarter. And then you're going to go right behind for your goat and just put it in open spots like that, just like that. And then all we're going to do now, add our ground beef and add our ground beef and our marinara. So we're going to go ahead and take your ground beef like that, just spread it across, smooth and easy. And you want to just got to do the best you can to fill the whole layer across like that. And then you're going to come back with your marinara. You're going to do about 3 lines. So 2, and then 3, and then all we do now, add a little garnish to the top. And voila, we have our healthy zucchini lasagna. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.